Good morning. Today we are here with Jose Miguez and Tia Amanda at this beautiful resort that we've been staying at for the past couple of days. So we're gonna have a little conversation with Jose for him to tell us about this beautiful, beautiful, amazing place that he and his family has created. Jose, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for being here. It's a pleasure. This is a wonderful place where you can enjoy nature. We've been working with it for some years, 8 years in the restaurant, and it's a cacao plantation where you can come, have a tour, enjoy our installations for the hotel, the restaurant, and
How many rooms do you have available?
we have 10 rooms available, and we're working on 4 more.
Okay, great. The average rate to stay here is?
495
Okay.
per day. Quetzales.
Yes. So what other amenities do you have at this place? What can we expect when we come here?
We can go and have a nice
Paddle boat?
Yes. You can fish here, and we can make fish in the restaurant.
And what kind of fish do we have that we could fish for?
We have tilapia, and there's a small one that's called guapote.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and I know yesterday you showed us the clams
Yes.
that you have, that you're farming
it's
right now.
a big clam
Yes,
that we're
farming.
harvesting.
And there's also bird watching. I've seen all these beautiful different types of birds that you have at this place. So how many
Yes.
species of birds do you have?
About 40.
Oh, wow.
40.
Wow.
Yes. This was a plantation of sugar cane.
Okay.
We changed it into cacao, and this has brought a lot of birds and other species of animals here.
Oh,
So
okay.
we can see iguanas, birds that come at night and sleep here. In the morning they gotta work,
Oh,
so
okay.
they leave and come back. And so it's a nice place to relax, enjoy nature, walk. If you're a patient, you can see hummingbirds, beautiful butterflies, and yeah, it's a place to enjoy nature.
And how many
Relax.
pools? I see you have one pool here. How many pools do you have total?
We have 2 pools, one for the restaurant and one for the hotel. And if you're in the hotel, you can use also this pool here.
And again, you said this place has been open for about 8 years.
The restaurant's been open about 8 years, and the hotel started right now in March, this year in March.
And how many acres of this beautiful land can we expect to?
We got 11 acres of cacao, and plus this
Facility.
facility. Yes.
He's been amazing since we've been here. His dad, his family, his staff have been absolutely amazing. I welcome you. So if you're ever here in the San Antonio area, please stop by. At this beautiful place. It's worth every penny. It's worth the drive from Guatemala City to get here. It's an absolutely amazing place, and I guarantee you will enjoy your stay here. Thank you so much again for your hospitality.
Come and enjoy a hot chocolate.
Yes. And amazing coffee. One of the best coffee I've had since I've been here. It's so amazing. So come on. Oh, we are at this beautiful place, this beautiful resort that we're at here in San Antonio. It's absolutely beautiful, breathtaking. This is my new favorite place. I mean, it's so relaxing. The sound of nature, waking up to the birds literally chirping, the frogs, all of the beauty of nature that it has to offer. Just look at this. We've been here for about 2 days now, and we don't want to leave. We love this so much that we booked an extra day. That's how much we love this place. It's a hidden gem. It's probably 2 hours away from Guatemala City, but it's worth the drive. If you're in the area, come to San Antonio. We'll give you the location of the place later, but we're just enjoying every minute of our stay here. Look at this gorgeous tree. Just amazing, just spectacular.
Bienvenido, muy buenos días, don Pepe Míguez, aquí a este bello, pequeño paraíso llamado Villa Amanda.
Pues mire, cuando nosotros llegamos aquí, procedentes del altiplano de Quetzaltenango, esto era una finca de caña. Sí. Y no había árboles, no había pájaros, no había nada. Entonces destruimos, o sea, terminamos con la siembra de caña y sembramos cacao. Para el cacao hay que sembrar árboles de altura para que le den un poco de sombra, porque aquí el sol en este tiempo es muy fuerte. Entonces el cacao necesita, ya en grande al inicio, necesita 70% de sombra. Ya desarrollado un árbol ya formal, 30%, pero siempre necesita sombra. Como dice usted, en un ecosistema donde se pueda disfrutar plenamente de la naturaleza, tanto en todos sus aspectos. Naturaleza en cuanto a árboles y agua y flores, la fauna que había desaparecido. Ahora tenemos gansos, pavos, patos, iguanas. Queremos introducir, ahora estoy en conversaciones con el Ministerio de Agricultura para traer los venados de aquí, de esta región de Suchitepequez. Las personas que vengan aquí se sientan sumergidos dentro de la naturaleza, olvidando las carreras, el estrés de la vida moderna, para tener unos días de descanso. Este entorno natural ayuda mucho a la salud. Aparte, y yo tengo mucha fe en el chocolate. El chocolate es un producto que tiene enormes beneficios para la salud, y todos los días yo tomo mi chocolate y tomo fruta en mi desayuno también. Trato de comer lo más natural posible, y a mis 83 años y medio pues me siento feliz de la salud que tengo, ¿va? A pesar de que hace 22 años me tuvieron que hacer una operación al corazón abierto y ponerme 2 bypass. Por eso que bajamos de Quetzaltenango, de la montaña, aquí a la costa. Y bueno, logramos construir esto. Esto aquí, cuando nosotros llegamos, no se podía caminar, era un bosque feo, ¿no? Pero hemos logrado hacer algo atractivo para los que vengan, que se distraigan. Pueden andar en lancha, pescar, caminar por todo el terreno. El terreno es casi plano y se puede ir caminando, en bicicleta o en moto.
Doing a tour of the estate in the hotel that we're staying at. We're going to do a tour of the cacao farm, and as well as the entire field where we're at. And we're joining a group here as they do a tour from the owner of the estate.
El cacao florea 4 o 5 veces al año. Y en cada floración, algunos pajes, porque florea miles y miles de flores.